Hello and welcome to another edition of Mix It Up. Today we're going to be looking at a game called Tiny Bird, another game from that tries to take over Flappy Birds, and this is getting close, but it's still way off. See, got the ads coming up here. Otherwise you have ads up here, so it's easier to play, but the reaction on this one isn't as good as Flappy Birds. So it's hard to play because it doesn't react as fast. So it's a cheap version of it. And I won't recommend this one. It's not very good if you compare it to the Flappy Birds, which is much better. The difference on the Flappy Birds, it's a lot faster. Still can't make it over, but you don't have the ads coming up and filling the whole screen. So, you know, I know it's a free game, but still, they don't come close to Flappy Birds. I have a few games, Flappy Wings, and I kind of like the Jumpy Jack. Jumpy Jack is it's kind of like the same, but still different, because that's a skateboarder you have to get through, and that's more fun. See, my best is 1. So if you get more than my record, you can write it in so close to 2. Write in the comments. So, but I would rather be playing the Flappy Birds, so won't recommend this one. So try Flappy Wings instead. Thanks for watching Mix It Up. Stay tuned for more videos.